Mountain climb and run. Start in plank position and with stomach held in, alternate stepping forward as far as possible without bending your back. Once the coordination is down, you can start a running motion that your brain should take care of itself. To make the movement more challenging, start your feet on a treadmill belt and start a forceful walk to get it moving. You may feel you have to adjust your arm positioning slightly to keep a braced core. Again, you can run to kick up the intensity, just make sure you stay prepared to hop to the side rails when done, because the belt will keep moving for a second. If you need to try something easier first, you can perform the movement in separate parts. First, the knee plank will help to ensure your core can support your body weight. You can also try the climb from lying flat on your back, which will work the hip flexors and abs dynamically and develop the coordination necessary for the full movement. For your exercise prescription, check out fitnesspenpal.com or hit me up via social media.